Here we have a 2005 Jaguar S Type. Customer's complaint is with the air conditioning on, it's not blowing cold. In fact, it seems to be blowing hot air. What's happened here, you look right down there, the heater control valve has corroded from the inside out. And so basically, even though you got the air conditioning on, the coolant is going through the heater control valve and going into the heater port. So you got the heater and the air conditioning on at the same time. We run into this a couple times. It's very common that when this control valve corrodes out, it shorts out and also damages the heater, the climate control module. So what has to be done here is we have to replace the heater control valve first, clear the temperature control module, recalibrate it, and see if it holds. If not, it will also have to be replaced.